she's gonna start crying, just like poor Sethian did.
Cookie.
She's not even looking at it anymore, just me.
Cookie. Cookie.
I'll give you a break.
Cookie. Cookie. Cookie.
She said cookie.
Cookie. Cookie Monster. It's a Cookie Monster. It's a Cookie Monster. Goodbye. Cookie. Cookie. Cookie.
I'm getting tired of laughing.
Okay, I'm done. Okay, yeah, because I felt so sorry for Seth. Because, yeah, she's getting like,
Cookie.
no, that's all you gotta do. You don't even need Cookie Monster anymore. You just have to say,
Cookie.
Wait, do it close your face again.
Cookie. 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 Octopus.
Judy, you're making me hurt.
No, my cheeks hurt. Stop. No, don't stop. It's funny.
Arwen.
oh, okay, that's all. You just, I can't anymore. I hurt. Okay, it's okay, sweetheart.
Cookie.
Okay, she says I can't. Oh, wait, I think she's pooping. Cookie. Cookie.
See, maybe it's a see because Seth it was cow. Oh no, it wasn't. It was
Moo.
moo.
Okay, she says, please stop.
Please,
It's
Judy,
not
stop.
funny
My
anymore.
stomach hurts and my cheeks hurt.
Cookie. Cookie.
I coming. I come.
Cookie.
Wait, I got another one.
Chicken.
Should have Dad do chicken to her.
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
I don't know how to tire you out. I'm ready for a nap. Or a cigarette in a Bahama, Mama.
Cookie. Cookie. Cookie.
Aunt Judy's so funny.
That's where Morgan gets it from.
I know, huh? You must be Morgan's nanny.
Cookie. 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 Cookie.
I should have brought the attachments to attach this to the TV.
Night.
I forgot. We could do it on the computer.
What?
Because you
Cookie.
can play this on the TV.
Cookie. Cookie.
Okay, that's enough. Yeah.
Yeah,
We're all
how
too
many
tired.
times has Nanny Aunt Judy said that?
Cookie.
Enough that she's still laughing.
No,
So am I.
But it hurts.
I know, my tummy
Judy's
hurts.
giving us all a workout.
Heffalump.